We had a Pan West Bengal General Body meeting today at Arjikor Medical College and Hospital, and I would like to brief you regarding the same. We would like to express our gratitude to the Honorable High Court in light of its decision to transfer the case to the CBI in view of the failure of the previously appointed body, in addition to the other favorable statements made by the court. There have been multiple administrative and security lapses during and after this crime, with the latest incursion occurring yesterday at our campus. No explanation or apology has come forth after the incompetence of SIT and its head with regards to the investigative failures. We believe our primary demand of justice, decided unanimously in the previous General Body meeting, have still not been met, and we will continue our fight for the same. The following is a joint statement following the General Body meeting dated 14th August 2024 of all the doctors of medical institutions of West Bengal. Our demands are the following. Number one, and the first demand, is arrest of all culprits within the next 48 hours with proper evidence, official release and written declaration confirming same from the investigating agency, that is CBI. Written apology and order of resignation of higher authorities, the ex-principal, the MSVP, the Dean of Student Affairs, the HOD Chest Medicine, the Assistant Superintendent on that day of duty at Arjikor Medical College and Hospital. And they should be barred from holding any administrative or authoritative positions in any institutions for the remaining duration of their service period. These above mentioned demands have to be officially issued by Shastha Bhavan within the next 48 hours. Also, we do not comply with the order from the Shastha Bhavan regarding the reinstatement of ex-principal of RGKMCH as the principal of CNMCH and appointment of ex-dean of student affairs of RGKMCH as MSVP of RGKMCH respectively. Number 3, we demand clarification and proper documents, official order copy and letters with proper memo number and date regarding the controversial renovation work at Chess Department that was reported by various reputed media houses. We also demand that the concerned authorities, the ex-principal, the MSVP, the superintendent, the HOD of Chess Medicine, the store manager, PWD, special investigation team members, and DC North should be interrogated by the CBI in suspicion of evidence tampering, and they should be prosecuted if found guilty within next 48 hours. We also appeal to the High Court to give order to seal the crime scene immediately. No amount of compensation can be made for a life lost. However, her parents should be provided with financial compensation with lifelong support provided by the government, which should be announced immediately. Implementation of adequate workplace security measures in all medical colleges and healthcare facilities, including CCTV, security guard, male and female, police picketing and patrolling, proper on-call rooms and washrooms with immediate effect. Public apology of the brutal assault upon medical students and junior doctors by Kolkata Police on 10th August 2024. The Commissioner of Police should take necessary and immediate action against any kind of digital defamation that is being circulated on social media. Our plans of action are the following. Cease work of all emergency and non-emergency services in all healthcare facilities of West Bengal till our demands are met. It is to be noted here that emergency services and OPDs are open, but we are not participating in it as we do not feel safe yet. We also want to state that the fact that some institutions are forcing the participants to work, especially the MOTRs. We have seen that whenever doctors have come to once, there comes pressure from some quarters to withdraw their rightful demands of justice. We vehemently condemn of such attempts to undermine doctors' unity. We remain united and committed in our pursuit of justice.